Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access, so confirm your role now. Open the page in a desktop browser and go straight to Settings, then Page Info. This is where Name edits live. Once there, click the Name field and type your new page name precisely as you want it shown. Make sure the name follows Facebook's guidelines, no misleading terms, excessive capitalization, or prohibited content, because changes that look suspicious will be denied. When ready, hit Review Change to proceed to verification steps. Now you'll review the preview Facebook shows, check spacing, punctuation, and capitalization because you get one chance. If Facebook asks for verification, upload clear documentation linking the new name to your business or brand, business license, utility bill, or official letter works best. Once you submit, Facebook queues the request. The review typically takes 3 to 7 days, so don't panic. While waiting, notify followers in a post so they recognize the change. Transparency reduces confusion and helps maintain trust. If Facebook approves, immediately update your About section, username, and visuals so everything matches the new identity. Once done, announce the change to followers and monitor comments for confusion. If the request is denied, read Facebook's explanation carefully and adjust the name or submit clearer documentation. Often a minor tweak fixes it. Make an appeal through the same notification or reapply after the wait period, if needed. Split steps into smaller edits to meet policy requirements and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.